For us, iPaaS was a game changer when DocuWare offered it. One of the big things that we really want to be able to do is to show how we can take this workflow solution and integrate it with the existing line of business softwares that our customers are already using. iPaaS has given us the ability to do that right from the start, no matter what the third-party application might be. We love this, and we've utilized it for quite a few of our customers already. We start off every solution with an assessment process. We want to make sure that we understand our customers' needs, their pain points, and that we're offering them a solution that fits to what those pain points are. Not just a repository in the cloud for images to be stored to, but rather a working, living part of their process that frees up their employees to do the things that they were hired to do. Very few people were ever hired to search for documents in a filing cabinet or a file folder, but rather process and work with the information. DocuWare gives us the ability to do that. It is not just a digital filing cabinet. So one of our customers is a pro sports franchise that came to us with a processing issue that they were having because of the multiple lines of business that actually happened underneath that umbrella. It was a very manual process, doing a lot of sorting of papers to make sure they kept everything separate in how they dealt with gathering information. By implementing the DocuWare system, as well as the predefined invoice processing workflows and the iPaaS integration solutions, we were able to take all of those different processes, break it down into one straightforward solution that freed up a lot of time for them and streamlined what they were working with. It has been such a successful solution for them that we are starting to get calls from additional franchises in this organization interested in seeing if they can do the same thing. We're very excited about that.